how to make no one can see post you're tagged in on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see posts you're tagged in on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click the three lines in the top corner, click on it and go down until you find settings, and here you will find profile and tagging. And now just go down until you find who can see post you're tagged in, click on it and click see more, and now just click only me. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.